Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Delving into innovative kitchen concept opens up a world of possibilities for homeowners and designers alike. It's a journey of exploration where you can discover fresh ideas, cutting-edge designs, and creative solutions that can transform the heart of your home. From the layout and functionality of materials, colors, and smart appliances, innovative kitchen concepts are all about pushing the boundaries of conventional design. Whether you're aiming for a sleek and modern kitchen, a cozy and rustic space, or a vibrant and electric atmosphere, there are endless avenues to explore. With the right inspiration and a dash of imagination, you can turn your kitchen into a functional and stylish haven that suits your lifestyle and culinary aspirations. This innovative kitchen concept also embraces the latest technological advancement, making daily cooking and meal preparation more convenient than ever. Smart appliances such as faucet and integrated home automation systems are just a few of the innovations that can be seamlessly incorporated into your kitchen design. Moreover, sustainability and eco-friendly are gaining prominence in kitchen concepts, from energy-efficient lighting to recycled materials and water-saving fixtures. There are numerous ways to make your kitchen environmentally conscious. In summary, exploring innovative kitchen concept is a journey of creativity, functionality, and personalization. It's an opportunity to craft a space that not only caters to your culinary needs but also reflects your unique style and values. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.